Hi, everyone. My name is Penny Shepard with Miller Realty Group, Keller Williams, and thank you for joining me today for our virtual walkthrough of 1456 Finsbury Lane. I'm going to take you through the house with our virtual tour and show you some of the features and just the features and benefits and details about the house so that you can see it from the comfort of your home. So let me start sharing my screen. And I will get us over to the virtual tour and get started. So this house, let me just turn the volume down here so it doesn't interrupt us. So this house, I love this house. It is, I know I say that about all the houses, but I really do. So it is, again, 1456 Finsbury Lane, located in Tega. You'll see the address right there. Now, not that, I want to stop there. Hold on one second. So I'm slowing down the video a little bit. I will pause along the way to talk about some features. And so this house, again, is located on Finsbury Lane, which is in the Lakeshore subdivision in Tega. It was built in 2005, and it is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath home with a bonus room or bedroom upstairs if you would like. It's kind of what we call 1.5 story or a frog. And I want to say, yeah, I just wanted to verify it is on 0.43 acres of privacy in the back. Now, when you walk through the front door, you have a formal dining room on the left and a study on the right. There's great detail in this house. Nothing was missed when you're walking through this house. We walk straight back to the great room or family room. You see a gas log fireplace there, and it is open to the kitchen. You see this house backs up to woods, and so we have sliders here, wide open view of the backyard. It's just peace and solitude. It's on a cul-de-sac lot, and so you just the lot is larger than average in Tega. It's wooded, so it's more private than most in Tega. There's these great windows overlooking just the wooded oasis in the back. And we're gonna pan around here. You'll see there's crown molding on this level. And we're gonna step into the kitchen here. We have a breakfast area and open kitchen area, granite countertops, wood cabinets, and you have the stainless steel appliances, oven, microwave combination in the wall rather than in a range underneath the stove. And here's the dining area. You'll see there's plenty of space in there as well. And we walk through towards the front of the house. You see a great size laundry room on the right and the formal dining room here. You'll see beautiful crown molding detail as well as the wainscot detail and the chair rail below. And we can step over to the office side of the hallway. And you'll see there is plenty of room in this room as well. I mean, you have a desk, wall unit, bookcases, credenza. There's room. You can turn this into anything really that you want. You could use it as a sitting room, spirits room, an office, whatever works for you. A nice flexible space open to the main living area. And so it just basically works as whatever you want it to be. Now we're walking down to the master bedroom. On this floor, you'll see tray ceilings. This floor does have a split floor plan. It has the master bedroom on the left and 3 other bedrooms on the right. Large walk-in master bath with a walk-in shower, rather. A large master bath, large enough for a ceiling fan in that master bathroom, actually, with a walk-in shower, and the closets are led there. Now we're stepping over to the other side of the house and the secondary bedrooms. And you'll see 3 secondary bedrooms on this side of the house, double sink, vanity in the guest bath, and bedrooms that are ample size for fitting whatever sort of furniture configuration you're looking for. And I'm going to show you when the tour is over, I'm going to show you the floor plan as well, so you can get a feel for that. And we have the 3rd secondary bedroom downstairs. So there's 3 full bathrooms down and 1 full bath up. So this bonus room up is a man cave, a guest suite, a master. If you want to be removed from everything, you can use this upstairs as a master. Again, this house is 2,805 square feet altogether. It has 2,419 square feet on the main floor. So it's a great, not overly large, but really usable space downstairs. But then if you wanted sort of a totally private retreat or a private guest suite or a man cave, craft room, anything you want, you have this great bonus / bedroom space upstairs. So you've got a great large closet, fun bonus area up here, and this has its own full bath again as well. So it has a bathroom, walk-in shower combination up here. And so it really is a great guest suite, but you could use it as a master as well. So now this is very common Tega Cay background with our topography that we have here in Tega Cay, and that creates such privacy for this backyard. I love this. And so you have 2 levels of sitting and deck space out here. So I bet the deer congregate back there as well. And you have multi-level or tiered retaining walls. And so you've got space down there, and you have this great deck. This is off of the kitchen and living room here. The door is from the living room out onto the patio or lanai area, if you will. So plenty of room for entertaining out here and complete privacy. So it's just like an oasis. It's like you're in the middle of the mountains and you don't even have to drive up there. So I did promise I wanted to bring up the floor plan to help get a picture of this. I'm going to enlarge this for just a second. And so you have here the first floor, 2-car garage, and I'm going to go back to some pictures as well. 2-car garage, front entryway with the, I'm pointing and you can't see that I'm pointing, with the dining room and the study on the left and the right of the front door. You go straight back to the great room. And then you have the kitchen on the left, master bedroom and bath behind there, and the laundry room is right there. I'm going to pull up a picture of the laundry room if I can. It's quite large. Breakfast area in the eat-in kitchen area, as well as the formal dining room in the front, and then 3 bedrooms on the right-hand side. And again, on the right-hand side of this floor plan, you'll see you have a bedroom or bonus room and a bathroom. It's considered a bedroom because there's a closet there, but it is definitely a wonderful game room, man cave, craft room. The closet storage is large enough to store any kind of games or craft supplies you wanted to up there. If you needed to use it as a 5th bedroom, it is fully functional because there's a full bath and lots of space for a great playroom, bonus room, man cave. And I do want to go to the still photos of this home and talk a little bit about that. So this is one of the beautiful front, great curb appeal, front lawn, mature trees, mature landscaping, covered porch, and the 2-car garage. It is on a cul-de-sac lot, and that allows for the privacy in the back where you're sort of just in your own private oasis. And I did want to show, let's see, a picture of the kitchen. It has this great bar. You can put stools there. Kids can do their homework. Your guests, and when you're having a party, everyone can be involved because everyone hangs out in the kitchen anyway. So they can be involved in your preparations, in interacting. You're never tucked away from your guests in this kitchen. And also may not have realized, here we go, this is a good shot of the kitchen. There is a work island in the center. You see the wall oven and microwave combination, plenty of cabinet space, and that doorway, you see the pantry door, entry to the dining room, and to the right, that is the laundry room entrance. So it's a really convenient spot and a great size room that also leads to the garage. We have a great shot of the granite, really great neutral granite that you can mix with any decor Lots of different colors in there, very earthy feel. And wood cabinets. And the master bedroom, again, this bedroom, look at the amount of furniture in this bedroom. You have a chair and ottoman, a dresser, the bed, a second highboy dresser over here. It looks, and another kind of credenza. There is plenty of room around this space. There's not going to be any sort of shuffling around furniture. You have plenty of room to move around and put in whatever bedroom furniture that you have will fit in this space. Again, this room has a tray ceiling and ceiling fan as well. And then bonus space upstairs, here's the laundry room. So this is not really featured in the video, so I wanted to show it to you. There is a utility sink, cabinetry, place to hang clothing, washer and dryer. You have plenty of room for anything you need in the laundry room, and it's all on the main floor. So you're living in that 2,400 plus square feet is everything you need without it being overly large, no unnecessary space, lots of room for everyone. So if you have any questions on this house, please do feel free to give me a call. My number is 803-493-7271, or I can be reached at penny@carmensmiller.com. This is again 1456 Finsbury Lane in Tega, 2,800 square feet, and we would love to get you more information. Thanks for joining me today, and I will get you to where you need to go as soon as I can. I hope you have a great day.